Today we're going to work on multiplication with decimals, and we're just going to get started right into some examples. Let's look at this problem first. 4.68 times 2.7. If I am multiplying with decimals, there's a lot that's the same, but there's one little thing that's different. Okay, the first thing is I would put the number with more digits on top. And there's our problem. Now, when we are multiplying with decimals, we do not line up the decimal. Okay, that is only with addition and subtraction. So we are not going to line up. Okay, do not line up. Okay, that is not, now sometimes they might line up just because of what the numbers are, but we're not going to try to line them up. So, watch how we do the multiplication. What you do is you start the problem just as if the decimals are not there. So let's just go ahead, it's just like what we've been doing on our, which was on your test yesterday. 7 times 8 is 56, carry a 5. 7 times 6 is 42. Plus 5 is 47, carry a 4. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 plus 4 is 32. Put a 0 here, just like we did before. All right? Yes, we always put a 0 there. Now I'm going to multiply everything by the 2. So 2 times 8 is 16, carry a 1. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13, carry a 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. We still add just like before. 6, 7 and 6 is 13, carry a 1. 3 and 3 is 6, 9 and 3 is 12. Now we need to learn how to deal with the decimal. And it's very simple. All right, once you do the multiplication part, and I've done all of my adding of my numbers and everything, all I have to do is look up in the original problem and count how many digits are to the right of the decimal. How many digits are to the right of the decimal in the original? There's 3 of them. So I need 1, 2, 3 to the right of the decimal in my final answer. And that is how you deal with the decimal, all right, on a decimal multiplication problem. Let's do another problem. How about 3.8 times 9.5? Now, both of these numbers have the same number of digits, so it doesn't matter which one I put on top. I'll just put the 3.8 on top. And I do my multiplication just like we've been doing before. 5 times 8 is 40, carry a 4. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 4 is 19, put a 0. 9 times 8 is 72. Carry a 7. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 7 is 34. Do my addition. 0, 11, 6, and 3. Now, one of the reasons I wanted to do this problem is to remind you once again. See where these decimals are? You do not just bring that down and put it there. Okay? That's wrong. Just like on the last problem, we are going to count up how many digits are to the right of the decimal in the original problem. How many are there in the original problem? 2. So in this one, I need 2, and you put your decimal there. Okay? So it's just like multiplication that we did before, all right, but you have to place the decimal in the correct spot. I'm going to now give you a problem to try on your own. Try this problem on your own. I'll pause the video and you try that one. Okay, let's see if you did it correctly. 7.26 times 4.8. 8 times 6 is 48. Carry a 4. 16 plus 4 is 20. Carry a 2. 8 times 7 is 56. Plus 2 is 58. Put a 0. 4 times 6 is 24. Carry a 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry a 1. 28 plus 1 is 29. Do your addition. 8, 4, 8, 14. Carry a 1, 3. There are 1, 2, 3 digits to the right in the original, so there needs to be 1, 2, 3 to the right in the answer. One other thing to remind you of. When you multiply by 0, what is 0 times anything? 0. So, if you ever get a problem where one of these numbers is a 0, like maybe the bottom number is 3.07, when you multiply by a 0, it's going to be zeros all the way across here. Okay? So just keep that in mind if you happen to see a problem with the 0, and we will stop there for today.